because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Versus what?
Can you guys shut up and start arguing
Yo,
already?
shut up. Nigga, you're the one always crying about something. Being a little bitch all the time.
Alright, so Mike and Gil are Dragon Ball Z wannabes. So they want to come here. Don't embarrass me.
Oh, hi.
We have two build molds. They're going to be exactly the same. It's going to be chicken broth.
John, what are you doing here?
Taking my new car home. Ended up buying this thing for myself.
We're in Florida. We're picking up the Mystery Machine. So, as you guys remember, it's been a little over a year since we built this. So, we just came here one weekend, like me, John, and Gil. Slapped this thing together with Garrett and James and Cooper. Right now, there's a few things that need to be addressed with the Mystery Machine. So, they put a firewall and the radiator got removed. So it used to be right here. We didn't want anybody to get burned over here. So this has been relocated over here by Ty. So he did a good job. He relocated the radiator over here. The fuel cell's still in the same spot. We just got to do a couple things, that's in rewire the fan. Probably get a better fan for it. The only issue with the Mystery Machine that was happening was that it had a bad alternator. So ever since the beginning, the alternator we brought ended up being defective. So we're gonna put an upgraded alternator, retune it, and put a better shifter, because right now this shifter is like not good whatsoever. It jumps from first to third and it's supposed to stop in second, so it's not doing that. Pretty much this thing still runs like from day one, right, John?
See? Got prime it. It's 85.
So we need to raise up the fuel prime. That's the injection. Starting again. Doesn't have a filter either. Right now, John's gonna put the original tires back on, because those are the ones that they got put on. You know, we thought they were gonna like do better burnouts, but they technically ended up not doing more smoke. So yeah, and it's wobbly. The studs are like kind of messed up, so we have to replace the wheel studs. It's kind of sketchy right now, so we have to fix that. Put the door back on, and then it's off to Virginia to get it's getting a lot of things done to it, actually. We're gonna put a loser converter, because every time we put it in gear, it will try to take off. So we need to put a loser converter. That way it can idle and then be in gear and not have to be like stalling so hard. The converter's super tight. We're gonna put another shifter on it, a new shifter cable. We're gonna put an alternator, a better fan, and preferably the exhaust is gonna go out the top. So it's like a little bit of a list, you know, and after all those things are done, we're gonna tune it and we're gonna take it to Taco Bell.
That thing's perfect for wheels, though.
It's cleaning up the threads.
Yeah.
So you tap it.
Sometimes problems fix themselves.
Yeah, I'll have to put it on 3.
Ready for testing?
Solid. Oh, we're gonna do a little.
Oh, before leaving?
So now I actually get to put my touch in it now, because last time when we were supposed to be building this, I'm pretty sure I had COVID. So I was in the ER, so I couldn't actually do what I want to do this car. So now I want to do the exhaust out the hood, do a nicer filter. No more excuses.
He got lazy through the build.
Now I almost died. Still runs good.
Yeah. Let's see how much power we get out of this thing.
Let's see how fast we get to Taco Bell with this thing. We only got 11 volts. We gotta load it. Get the cover on the camera.
Sick.
Never gets old.
Hey, take it easy on Jimmy Oak's car. Barely made it. Now that thing.
I'm putting my new trailer up to the test since it failed the first one. So right now we have Jimmy's S14 and we have Garrett's little van. And we're about to see how good this thing tows now with a lot of weight on it. And apparently, aren't we towing a bunch of shit for fucking Tommy too?
Fucking Tommy Scumbag does with all his merch.
Holy shit. Yo, who wants free, what is it? Free hoodies,
Oh,
free
sick.
stickers.
Sick. Fuck yeah.
Yeah, you guys spooned last night, huh?
Gil was the big one.
Give a big spoon. Yo, my mans. Time to wake up. Yeah, we tapped out last night. So today we gotta keep going on the trip to make it home and pick up some parts too.
Ah, shit, we were supposed to be at that dude's house by now.
Yeah, we're supposed to wake up at 5 in the morning and it's 8 o'clock. Mochi, what happened to your alarm? What happened to the alarm you put on?
And it's been a year and it hasn't skipped a beat.
So right now we need to address that it's really, really cold in Virginia, so we're going to have to...
That fitting's loose.
Yeah, that fitting's always been leaking.
Yeah.
We're going to have to put antifreeze in it.
We gotta fix this shit, Mike.
It's full of water.
Can't be doing burnouts with 2 batteries.
Yeah. So the alternator doesn't work. We need to put an alternator on it also. But it does good burnouts when it's got a good battery.
We got a little bit of a project for you guys. Our buddy Chris brought us something interesting.
Rotary snowmobile. One rotor. And it's 303 cc, I think. 303? Yeah, 303. It doesn't start.
But it obviously been sitting for a while, so we're gonna have to do some stuff to it.
Alright, fail. When it turns over, it's not seized.
Yeah. So as long as it turns over, you know,
It
there's
might tell you what happened.
there's a chance. So we're gonna try to get this running, and we're gonna put that in Bobo the golf cart. As you can see, it's got an old engine, one piston, makes no power. And that one rotor makes about 18 horsepower. Goes about 30 to 40 miles an hour on this. So it should be interesting on that, given that it has a 2-speed tranny and this is single speed. So these do high RPMs and sound insane. So we're gonna try to get this running and transplant it into the golf cart.